Did a ghost just take my pen? So how did I do that? Well, I got this question from my friend Harry. Could I combine a pen levitation trick or pen flying trick that I did in a previous video with the spectral effect I also did in a previous video? And it upsets me because the answer, yes, that's what I've been showing in these videos all along, is just that, how to actually layer things. Now, let's go to my screen. Here, what you have are two clips. Me throwing a pen and me just reaching out and grabbing something. So what I did, and you can even see the symbols here on the actual things themselves, I reversed the footage of me throwing the pen, which you can see here. It's recorded with my Sony ZV-E10. And over top of that, I actually put the footage of me just reaching in with a hand and taking stuff out. This is all fairly basic stuff, actually. So what we're going to do, though, is I put one over the other, and the effect I go for is cutaway and opacity. So cut to this and make it so you can see through it. Now, since it has this on the beginning, you don't notice a change in the pen. But what you do notice is my hand. My hand looks like you can see through it, like it's a ghost hand. And that's supposed to be the effect. I've tried to make it very clear that this is what editing is. Yes, it's just combining stuff for cutting stuff, really. So that is how this clip was done. It just takes two things, and the reason why one is reversed is, of course, to make it look like it's flying. But the other, this turtle symbol that you see, this symbol right here that I'm circling around, that means it's been slowed down. Why? Well, this is called syncing, and that's, it's just natural. You don't really control to a great degree, at least not if you're me, how fast you're really throwing a pen or whatnot. But you can, of course, control just how fast you put your hand into a frame. You can insert it slowly or insert it very quickly. This one I chose to do quickly, and I chose to record at 60 frames a second, and that actually made doing the fine-tuning adjustments a lot better. I tell people record 1080 by 30. Save yourself some time. Save yourself, some storage space, especially when you're sharing and going and converting these files. So that's really all this is. This was, like I said, just very bland footage layered on top of itself, and layered atop another piece of bland footage. And yes, it makes for a spectral looking hand picking up a pen. I could have done this a bit more thoroughly, but to be honest with you, syncing is very tedious work, and I didn't want this to take several hours. That's all. Well, either way, I hope you learned something. This video, of course, dedicated to Harry and also dedicated to the paranormal meetup group that's not meeting today. Shout out to Luna in London. So, thank you, everyone. Bye.